Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to share Obsidian notes with others. So let's go with I think the best options here that we can do and simplest one. So we can export to PDF. What we are going to do is here on the left side, open the note which you want to share with your friend and colleagues. Now you have it open up. What you're going to do here at the top right corner, you will see these three dots inside this node. Click on that and then just find export to PDF. You will see it right over here. All right. So here, what you're going to do, include file name as title. We can do that. Page size, we can adjust this landscape or yes or no. Margin, downscale percentage, and when you select everything, you just hit export to PDF. All right, let's do that right over here. And okay, and as you can see, we have it now in PDF. Okay, now the second thing is what if you want to share raw files, basically raw material. What you're going to do is you will go here on the left side and then click right on this title of node. And you will see here show in System Explorer on Windows, or probably it will say if you're using Mac, reveal in Finder. So click on that. And right over here, you will have pretty much a raw file, which you can open then, I don't know, with Explorer. So now you can see we have it here, basically totally raw file from these nodes. And this is pretty much it, how you can share Obsidian notes with others. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.